Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be making this lovely CurlFest wig, and I'll show you guys a step-by-step process on how to do that. I love these curls. Let's get right into the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so here we have our 2 crochet nets. They usually run from $3.99, $4 tops. There's 2 different types I like. So like this is like the back of the wig right here, the packaging, and the other one on the left actually has a comb, so you don't have to sew that in. So you could pick either or, is fine, as long as you get the cap. That's all that matters. And those are the 2 that you need. Actually, no, you just need 1. Sorry. The crochet needle, simple, $1 at any beauty supply store with a little hook. Just a regular sized one, easy to find. Okay, so I'm opening up the nets just for you guys to take a look at it. It's not like one of those thin types of nets. It's actually really sturdy and thick, so thick enough to hold the hair as you place them in, and real stretchy. It's not bad, and it's just if you use the net that I just opened, you just need to sew in the combs. Next, I'll be using the hair. It's in OE2T blue. This collection I like using because the hair is really afro-y. I just love the way it turns out. So now here we are placing the net on top of the mannequin here. So you use the T-pins to hold the net in place, so when you tug or try to install the wig, the hair for the wig, it won't move or come out, pop. So here we are, our pack of hair. We're just opening it up, just showing you the back of the head right here. So taking these strands out. Ooh, and it's really coily, bubbly. So this particular hair, the more you separate it, the more frizzy it gets. So I try to just break it into 2. So I pull it through just like any old crochet, and then you pull, and that's basically it. And you just repeat the process in a row. So twist, pull it through the hole, and then tie it into a loop, and then let it go right there, and you just keep on continuing. So here we are, we're almost done with the first pack here. So you see, it's the same method, just pick whatever side of the mannequin. Usually I prefer starting with the back, so I could format the wig the way I want the actual afro to show and have its curl formation, and then just keep on doing it. So here we are, still doing the same process. Like I said, I just like to split that one little twist into 2, so it doesn't come out too frizzy. So I like those curls to pop a little when the wig is done. So here we are now. The wig is 75% done. So here is the outcome of the look here. So right now we're getting close to the end here, where you should be careful on, because depending on how you want to style the wig, you should close it properly. That's really important. So what I like to do is, finish the back where that you see big line is right here, that thick black line. And once I start circling around it so it could circle my face. And as I get where I want it to be, then I close off the wig. Okay, so the back is completely finished. Now we're gonna start on the front. So take my piece and insert in the front. I'm not gonna do bangs with it, so I want the hair to separate side to side. So first, I'm gonna start with like the bottom rather than the top, so I could work my way up and close it off in the middle. So same procedure, is just placing the hair in order for it to come out right. That's what matters. So you just, like I said, take your piece, separate, twist, insert the hook, make the loop, and tie. And you just repeat the process and keep on going until you reach the top. Circling the top right here. So once we get up to the middle of the wig, you start going around and around with the hair, and form it into where you want the most hair, where you want it to part, and you just keep on going until it's completely done up top. So here's the finished product. So the wig is finished up top, and I just split it in the middle because I know I didn't want to do bangs. So just toss the hair where you want. Then I start to trim it all around to make it even and cut some loose hair or anything that's falling out so everything could stay in place. So now I'm just giving the wig the form that I actually want. So trimming it here, trimming it there, trimming like some strands that are really longer than the others actually, and just going around and giving it some formations. I didn't use any type of products in the hair for any curls or anything, because I love that poofy afro and like the curls are in it, so you could see some in there. And the only thing I used was hairspray to hold it, and just kept on going around until I cut any unnecessary parts, and then giving it that proper formation that I was looking for. here's the final product. I just love that look. I had so much fun at CurlFest with this look. It's just light, and the wig isn't heavy at all, and you could just wear it wherever you want, parties, festivities, and it's amazing. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos and to see more CurlFest videos or even more hair tutorials. Bye!